Let's take a quick look at MetaHuman Creator. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, this is Omar Bafaki. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. If not, welcome to this channel where I create game development tutorials, and from time to time I upload my short films. If you're interested, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. And before we start, I just want to say Ramadan Kareem to everyone and wish you all a blessed month. Okay, this is not going to be a tutorial. It's a quick look at one of the coolest tools that I've been so excited to finally use. It's not released yet, but I got early access. I've been playing around with it, and I'm so excited to share with you and give you a quick demo of that tool. So let's get into it. First thing, you choose a preset or a character to start from. Let's choose Hudson. As you can see, the character is so cool. Look at the details. Alright, now just click on Next to create the project for us. To start modifying, just stop the preview. Well, basically there are three sections of modifications. We have the face, hair, and body. So let's start with the face. If we would like to modify the face, we have three options: blend, move, and sculpt. So if I select blend, you have these dots on certain features on the face. So if I click any one of them, you see nothing happens. Why? Well, as you can see on the left side here, we have three different circles where we can mix different presets of other characters and then blend between them. So let's add this guy here, and then this guy, and let's add the last one, this guy. So now the moment I click and hold, I see three circles. Each one will represent the character on that circle on the left side. So now I can select each feature of each character. Let's say I would like to have the nose of the top character. I would drag it up, and the eyes of the right side character. Just drag it until here, and the mouth of the left character. We have a mixture of these three characters now. Also, we can select the move option where we have a different way of modifying. And we have sculpt, which gives us even more freedom to change more details. If you would like to add more features of other characters, we can just drag them here. But I think that is enough for now. Then we have the skin. You can change the color of the skin. You can play around with the texture. You can make a mold, freckles. You can add some redness into the skin as well. Now the eyes. We have multiple presets. We can select any one of them. And then we can change the iris, the color, and so on. And now we can play around with the teeth as well. We can have a different variation. It's just a lot of customization. It's pretty awesome. You can open his jaw to look at it from inside. Makeup. Well, I don't think so. And then we have the hair. You can choose one of many. I just love how the hair looks so realistic. That is so cool. And now we can play around with the eyebrows as well. Then the eyelashes. Just leave it as it is. And then the beard. This looks so realistic. That is so cool. And now the mustache. Yeah, I think this is cool. And now we go to the body. As you can see, there are not a lot of modifications for the body. We have the height, and then three different types, and then the outfit. We can choose any of these three, change the color, or we can switch between them. And then the bottoms. We have only three of them as well. And finally, the shoes. So now we have created a new character. I think it's cool. Then we can change the environment from here to see the different set of lights. Put it back to studio. And if I hold down L and move my mouse, I can play around with the lights as well. Let's have it a little dramatic. And then we can switch between the different cameras. And we can select one of 3 different render qualities. We have medium, and then high, and epic. And then we have the level of details. The cool thing is that the character is exported with these level of details, which will boost your performance. That is so cool. And you can toggle the clay material, probably to see the normal map, the lights, and so on. Put it back. And then you can hide the hair. And when you're done, you can preview. There are 3 different animations: idle, face ROM, and body technical ROM. Idle is just a normal idle animation, standing. Then we have face ROM. Look at that. Come on. Come on, look at that. This is so cool. And then we have the body technical ROM. To see the body in action. So we're done. Here are different characters that I created. When you're done, we can go to Quixel Bridge, go to MetaHumans, and you can see MetaHuman presets. Here are the all the presets that everyone can use without having early access, which is pretty cool. You see, it's already a huge set of presets. You can download them and drag them into Unreal, and you can view the ones you created. So you can drag any one of these into Unreal and play around with it. That is so cool. So I'm gonna leave you with this sneak peek, which might be the next video, to show you how to integrate that with Unreal and add facial animation. Let me know if you'd like to see how to do that. I warned you. I warned you. I warned you. But you never listen. And this is what you get when you don't listen. So, what do you think? So cool, right? And I just want to thank Epic Games for their epic tools. Can you imagine this awesome tool is for free? And also thanks for the early access. And I strongly recommend that you guys go and register for the early access. So, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. If you'd like to see more of these videos, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. This is Omar Balfaki. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.